The D chord, this pattern sounds like this. On an A minor. C. G. Really nice bluegrassy vibe, and I really love it. It's I learned it from not Heart of Life, but I think he uses it in Heart of Life as well. Stop This Train by John Mayer. So that's where I discovered the pattern. So it starts with a very nice pinch between the middle finger and the thumb. Okay, dun da 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 dun, and then it has these strums on beats 2 and beats 4. So you've got strums on beats 2 and 4, and you've got the thumbs on beats 1 and 3, and then you've got these in between notes here. So that's kind of how I think about it. So if I'm playing the D, I start with a pinch, pinch, down, M. So you start with a, and then you play pinch, down strum, M, thumb, I, down. Now the exact notes is not that important, but the thing is to start with the pinch and then play the M after the first down strum, but it could be the I as well. You could also use this with Bad Moon Rising. Really nice pattern. Okay, let me know in the link or below this video if you're in the community what this how you play the strum pattern. Show me something unique you create with it. I would love to see what you guys can do. Cheers, guys. Okay, then the next pattern. Oh no, we're gonna do this in another video.